Hey gamers, welcome back to the channel. If you love mobile games and want to level up your skills with the best tips and tricks, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, I'll be showing you a simple and safe way to boost your resources in AOZ Origins. No sketchy apps, no complicated steps, and it works on both iOS and Android. Stay with me until the end, because every step is important. Let's get started. Before we begin, you'll want to make sure your AOZ Origins app is fully updated. Running the latest version ensures that everything works smoothly. Just head over to your app store, check for any available updates, and install them if needed. Once you're on the latest version, you're good to go. Next, open your web browser. Go to this platform that provides tools for popular games and apps. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to find AOZ Origins Hack. Tap on it to open the Hack tool. Easy, right? Let's move to the next step. On this screen, you'll find everything you need to know about the mod. To start, simply tap the orange button, and the website will begin injecting the mod into your app. This process might take a little time, depending on your internet speed and device performance. As it runs, you'll notice different steps happening in the background: mod injection, proxy setup, and security bypassing, all designed to keep your account safe while ensuring everything works smoothly. The best part? It's fully automated. Just sit back, relax, and let the tool do all the work for you. Before finishing up, there's a short verification step to confirm you're a real player. This might involve downloading and running an app for a few seconds or completing a short survey. It's super simple and takes just a couple of minutes. If you're unsure, the website even provides a step-by-step video tutorial to guide you through. And that's it. After completing the final step, your resources should appear in your account almost instantly. I tested this myself, and within seconds, my balance was loaded. Now, you can enjoy the game without limits and focus on having fun without worrying about running out of resources. That's all for today's guide. If you found this helpful, drop a like and share this video with your friends. Have any questions? Let me know in the comments, and I'll do my best to help out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest gaming tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gaming. See you in the next video.